To clean the lint and debris from the nozzle, turn the power off and unplug the power cord. Remove the dirty water tank and squeeze the tab on the top of the nozzle. Lift the nozzle from the cleaner. Rinse the nozzle clean with water. Before replacing the nozzle, be sure to clean off any lint or debris from both filter screens. To replace the nozzle, engage the tabs into the holes on the bottom edge of the base, pivot the nozzle up, and press down to relock the tab at the top. Replace the dirty water tank, making sure it is aligned and seated properly.